he's working right now in Care Hospital, Banjara Hills. He is also co-director of Epilepsy Surgery Program. He has done around more than 100 these surgeries in past 6 years. So many a times when devotees go and meet him, so Prabhuji gives guidance very nicely in terms of medical. Prabhuji has done MBBS from GSMC and KEMH Mumbai. He also has done his MD from VMMC Solapur, DNB in Care Hospital in Hyderabad. Prabhuji got connected this to ISKCON in 1998. I don't think so. Half of we were born. So 2000, since 2000, he is chanting 16 rounds of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Since then, when he got connected in 1998, Prabhuji has been helping in colleges of medical field. There he is helping devotees in preaching to doctors, because that is the most difficult part. Because if you want to preach somebody, you need to, then the person has to have time, and doctors don't have time. So they have so many books to read and very difficult. So, but he is able to guide many devotees who are preaching in medical college. Whenever medical college preaching or program is announced, so first name is called of Shyam Madhav Prabhu, because Prabhuji can come and address doctors. Because if an engineer goes to address a doctor, he'll say chup bait, nothing to speak. But yeah, so Prabhuji gives very nice classes, and he has been preaching to youths more than 15 years. So we are very fortunate to have Prabhuji with us. And also he is a very good presenter. He prepares slides and goes into the content very nicely. So Prabhuji has requested me that half of the time he'll be speaking and half of the time he wishes to have interaction with all the participants. So that's why we have cordless microphones, so that all of you can interact. Okay. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you very much for coming. And I'll start with short prayers, and then I'll want to know from where all of you have come. Om Agyana Timirandasya Jnananjana Salakya Chakshurum Miltena Tasme Shri Guruve Namah. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pishtaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaura Bhaktavinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Most of you from the engineering college, engineering backgrounds. So which colleges all from you? Say Mathu. Some are from Srinidhi College. Okay. Okay. So most of them are from engineering college. And most of them from the Andhra, Telangana, correct? Anyone from the Hyderabad? And Telangana? Most of them from Telangana. Which districts from there? All around. Karimnagar, Nizamabad, Khammam. And Andhra from which district? And then you all must be knowing the all So since how many years we are here in Hyderabad? Almost, huh? Some are from childhood. Yeah. So mostly you stay from in the hostel. Huh? English okay, na? Okay. Huh? In between, we try చేసిన తెలుగుకి నేను. But I'll speak mostly in English. Huh? So today I'm planning to speak about the art of the positive attitude. This is very important, at least in the student life, and definitely in all the professional colleges, like in the medical college, engineering college, because any the professional college we have lots of stress. You know, we come from the different places, from the different backgrounds. I was born brought up in the north, and then I came to Bombay for my studies. So I was born in the I was studying in the vernacular medium. So most of you, I think you've come from the vernacular medium only, Telugu medium, correct? How many from the English medium here? English medium tarvata, but or from the good in the English medium. Mostly we are from the vernacular medium, we comfortable in the speaking and communicating in the Telugu, correct? Our mother tongue rather than the English. Even so-called we are from the English medium. So that was my first stress when I came to Bombay. You know, Bombay, that medical college is one of the best medical college that called KEM. Is the third best medical college in India, all over India. First was AIMS Delhi, second was CMC Vellore, and third was this KEM Bombay. So when I came to, I got the stress because of the language only. So these things comes when many people, because many of you come from the district places, when you come to Hyderabad, and all the communication noises from the in the professional colleges from the English only. So from there, the things starts, right? So this is the, we'll talk about the problem. Then we'll talk about the cause of the, what is the cause of, what the problem in getting the positive attitude, and what the cause of not having positive attitude, then what the solution of that, and how to apply in our lives. So this three in the four this kind of categories will speak. Okay, and I like, you know, you all will all go together, right? Just I am speaking, then it's not going to make change in the life. I feel I expect that, you know, after this class, everyone has some kind of positive attitudes, right? Then only this class have a usual. Otherwise, just I am speaking is not going to make any changes, right? We come here to have some change in our lives. So that my change I started when I was in first of my MBBS. So we used to have a program in my colleges, and every college hostel, I used to stay in hostel every Thursday evening, used to have classes. And here you see the many preachers in the orange dresses, they come to the colleges, hostels, the same used to come, and I used to listen to them every Thursday, and then every Sunday I used to come to the temple. Then I think you must also invited to the Sunday temples. So this is the way my journey started in the, besides my professional life being a doctor and this spiritual life. So until it will not interact, the changes will not come, right? So whatever you think, whenever you want me to stop, then we'll have discussions. So we'll talk about some quotes, definition of positive attitude, and then statistics we see, you know, what is the role of positive attitude in life, and then we'll see. So these are the few quotes. The first quote is, attitude is a little things, but that makes a big difference. I'll tell you some stories also in between so that it will keep you bonded. So about the attitude, you see that in the Mahabharata, I'll take the stories from the Mahabharata and the current generation also, so that it can connect to us. So when Mahabharata, before Mahabharata war, when the before the battle started of the Kurukshetra, Krishna called both Arjuna and Duryodhana in his palace. You come and whatever you want, one place I'll be there, another place my battle, the whole army will be there, Narayani Sena will be there. So one of you can choose that. కొద్దిగా ముందు చేయండి, కొద్దిగా ముందు చేయండి. Don't worry, I'm not going to eat you. రండి కొద్దిగా ముందు రండి. Yes, yes. Good. So when it started, what you saw that Arjuna sits in the feet of the Krishna, right? And Arjuna sits on the head of the Krishna. And when Krishna wakes up, he saw the Arjuna first. And then he says, so just see that the attitude, what the attitude of Arjuna and Duryodhana was there when he meets some superiors, right? So this is the start of our attitude. Whenever we go somewhere, so how they how you meet them, that show the attitudes. And when you go to your seniors, superiors, whatever, the parents, the teachers, or some superiors, if you are attitudely good, they will open up and they will give you himself only, like Krishna gave himself to the Arjuna. So this is the attitude, little thing, but makes a big difference. And finally, Arjuna won the war, right? Same thing, the best things in the life are unexpected because there were no expectations. So again, so anything in life which best thing happens definitely is most of the time it's unexpected. So we see the story of in the Ramayana, the story of Sabri. Sabri was waiting for Krishna, for Rama, since so many years, since her childhood in the Ramayana it says. And she was almost at the old age, kind of retiring her life. And one day Ram came. So she was not expecting Ram is going to come on that day. She was preparing every day. And then she got the biggest thing what she was expecting since waiting for the long time. So it happens. So whatever we waits for the best things in life which are unexpected, they have when we are not expecting that happens. Okay. Then one more quotation is there. Whenever you fall, pick something up. It's very important. In many times in the student lives, after the students, when you doing the job also, when the professional life, and when you marital life also, and when you have some responsibilities as a whatever position you take in your life, you will have many times you will have the failure also, and many times you will fall also. Okay, like the story in the Ramayana, we see the story of Jatayu. When Ravana kidnapped the Sita, right? Kidnapped Sita, and Jatayu wants to Jatayu goes and fight with Ravana to protect the Sita, but he's not able to protect because he was old and Ravana was very powerful. But still, he's able to stop for a moment, and that time only Sita threw her jewels on the ground, and that was one of the clue that Ram got the clue, and he searched the Ravana, and then he went to Lanka to kill Ravana. So anything, whenever we fall, at least we should pick up something so that we can move in our life. Okay, and we awaken in others the same attitude of mind we hold toward them. That is also important. You see, many times in the army also, the army, anyone is from the army background here? Anyone's parents? Okay, no problem. So the army, they have the different ranks are there, right? Captains, the lieutenant colonels, and then the majors, and then they will have the colonels. So the team, the who were on the superior positions, they should be very motivated. Most of them must have seen the movie Borders, right? And recently, which movie came? Sirsa. Who? How many of you have seen the Sirsa movie? Good. Half of them you have seen the Sirsa movie. No, we should watch such kind of the real heroes movie. Okay, then we can understand how we should handle our lives. So you can see there's these people, the army peoples, the leaders in the army, they always motivate. If whatever the motivation there, they get the same motivation to the juniors also, right? If the leaders is not motivated, what will happen? The juniors will not able to motivate. That's the way you see in the many battles. I'll talk about the many battles also. I like to speak about the many battles from the ancient time to the recent times. So we'll see that how this the battles like about the Shivaji Maharaj. How many of you heard about Shivaji Maharaj? Yeah, almost everyone has heard Shivaji Maharaj. So Shivaji Maharaj was famous for the guerrilla war. He always has the small numbers of the people, the army, the soldiers, but he is to able to defeat the big numbers of the Mughals. Whenever he has the many, small forts in all around the Maharashtra. So anyone is from Maharashtra here? Only you from Maharashtra. Okay. So this is our neighboring state. Sometimes we should plan to go to the Maharashtra also to see the palaces of the Shivaji Maharaj. Not in the Maharashtra also. Anyone has heard of the Hampi? Yes. So the famous king, who is the famous emperor in the Telugu state? Krishdev Rai. Everyone knows. So Krishdev Rai was same like he was like one of the like as can say the Rajrishi like the Shivaji Maharaj, and he has a big empire from Warangal. He was from the the Kakatiya University is famous Warangal to the Hampi, and he also won so many battles with the small numbers. He was expert in a different kinds of small guerrilla wars, and he defeated so many armies and expanded his empires to like anything. So these things we can see that if we have the positive attitude in our life, we can awaken the same attitude to our colleagues and our juniors also, right? The human spirit is stronger than anything can happen to. This is very important. This all the attitude things is also is the mental things, is the in the mind things. Who is the very stronger in the mind? I'll talk about. I'm a neurologist. So because being a neurologist, I see many kinds of patients who are having the psychological issue also. Okay, and in the student life, it is very common. And nowadays, today's life also, today's time also, the many things. The psychological issue is keep on increasing because to adjust with the modern life is bit difficult, and we are being away from our ancient values and tradition system. That's why I asked you, okay, how many are from the villages, from the district places? Because the district places still our traditions, cultures, our Telugu tradition culture still is protected, and we should never leave that tradition cultures, because that gives the strong foundations to our lives to handle any kind of stress in our lives. So that's why the what is the second condition? The world is full of cactus, but we don't have to sit on it. While when we walk on the roads and we drive on the roads, the many times you see the roads is having the potholes are there. Okay, but when we're driving bike, what do? We just go from side of the potholes. We don't go on the potholes, otherwise our bike will imbalance. So we have lots of issues will be there, the life ups and downs, and the sorrow and misery, all this thing keep on coming. Even most of following the Bhagavad Gita also. The Bhagavad Gita also says that everyone's life is full of sometimes sorrows come and sometimes happiness also comes. So this keep on coming till we are alive in this world. So we have to go around the potholes to move ahead in life. That kind of positive attitude we should have in the life. And toughness is in the soul and spirit, not in the muscles. So about that, I'll tell you that again, about the story of the Shivaji Maharaj. The Shivaji Maharaj was not very tall. He was kind of 5 feet and maybe 5 feet 2-3 inches. And there's a very famous, individual war between the Shivaji Maharaj and the Afzal Khan. Afzal Khan was 7 feet tall, and he wanted to meet Shivaji Maharaj because that was a very strategic thing. Because Afzal Khan wanted to meet and kill Shivaji Maharaj because Shivaji Maharaj was become very popular. And when the Shivaji Maharaj and the Afzal Khan they met in the kind of near the fort, Pratapgarh fort, and he was very tall. He was very tall and stronger. Shivaji Maharaj was short. And then when he met, and the Shivaji Maharaj had what is called the tiger nails in the hand, and from that he put the tiger nails in the stomach of the Afzal Khan and tear apart, and he was kind of very stronger. So this all positive attitude, its toughness, it comes in your mind and soul and spirit, not in the muscles. Even you are muscular, many times you cannot defeat purples. Okay, and this also again the same thing. Turn your face to the sun, and the shadows fall behind you. So we should always see with the brightness. Okay, if you turn your back on the brightness, you will see the darkness only, right? So these things are there where we can learn the things. Again, it's what is the inside that counts. It is not the, you see, this the balloon is there, right? Balloon, different colors of balloons are there. And what makes the balloon fly? The gas inside, right? Not the color, right? So you can see, because you can see these things from the examples of the, you know what, recently the Olympic Games happened in the Tokyo. And after the Olympic Games, there was the Paralympic Games also. Many of you have you heard about the Paralympic Games? Yeah, good. So India won more medals in the Paralympic Games than the Olympic game. Did you know that? They won more medals, the gold medals, silver medals in the Paralympic Games than the Olympic Games. So this, you can see that what that counts the part, even they were handicapped, the physically, what they say today nowadays, the word used, the physically disabled. But because they have the positive, they have the gas inside. Gas means the positive attitude inside, and that's why they're able to fly. Even the athletics, so-called athletic, the number of athletics more, they could not able to fly the more than the Paralympics, right? So now we'll define the attitude. This is the typical dictionary definition of attitude is a complex mental status involving beliefs and the feelings and values. Again, I'm telling about the values. That's why I'm talking about. We should always follow our values. Values means what? Our traditional cultures, whatever, from where you are from from the Telangana, Andhra, whatever Telugu traditions, cultures are there. Someone is from Maharashtra, they're from the Maharashtrian culture. If you follow our traditional cultures, we're able to have the positive attitude in life. But that is the, what do you say, the saddest part, the saddest part in today's time, that we are not following the traditional cultures. We're following the Tollywood. We don't follow the traditional cultures. We follow Tollywood, and that makes lots of difference. Okay. Uh, so this is the one statistics about that there in Harvard University. They have done the statistics about attitude. So where they say that a person gets a job or promotion, and 85% of time it depends on his attitude, and 50%, 15% time depends on their knowledge and the intelligence. I work in a care hospital. The care hospital is a corporate hospital. It's a kind of private hospitals. And you know, corporate world, you all from the engineering background, you have to enter in the corporate games, corporate worlds, and in any part of your life after you come to the education. And then you will, right now, student part is you know, the safest and happiest part of your life. I'm telling you. Right now, you'll not because you don't have money, you don't have good home, you don't have car. You feel like that. You have less money. You stay in hostels, whatever you get from your parents. But this is the most happiest part of your life. You will see when you will what do you say realize that when you become that you will get a job, and because after you get a job and different kind of responsibility, you have lots of stress also. That's why my best part of life is my college time and hostel times. So that's why use this hostel time and this time as good as possible. Okay. Need good experience, need bad experience also. I'll not tell you don't have a bad experience, because if you don't have bad experience, they will not realize what is good is there. But don't go in the bad is that much, you're not able to return also. Okay. So that thing is very important, because in hostel everything happens. I also stayed in a hostel for almost 12 years. Okay. So the attitude is the foundations. This is the one of the Calgary towers. Calgary is one of the state in the Canada. Okay, where Calgary is also famous for the neurology. Also, they have the one of the best center for the brain stroke. Brain stroke means the Pakshwatam ki brain stroke English ki. The brain stroke is one of the famous brain stroke center in the Calgary, and they have one of the towers that is very famous towers, and it's a total weight is almost 10,000 plus tons, and almost 60% is inside the ground. The foundation should be strong. And how the foundation comes? It comes from the attitude only. If your attitude is positive, you will have the good foundation. That's why I'm telling you. Again, I'm going back to the value system, traditional system, culture systems, because that gives our foundation to our lives. That's called in Sanskrit chapter sanskara. Sanskar chapter. Because Chinna Nunchi, we have different kinds of sanskars are there. In our Vedic scripture, there are different kinds of sanskars are there. It's called 16 sanskars are there, 16 sanskars are there. And because of the today generation, because of the modern education, we don't know about all those things. But that gives the so much foundation, because this bookish knowledge will not going to take us very high in lives. Okay. These things about, I'll tell you about that. You see the people who is a very successful people like Narayan Murthy. You know the Infosys Narayan Murthy. So you must have known about the Narayan Murthy and his wife Sudha Murthy. Okay, they were from the very small place in Karnataka. Okay, and they're from very small place in Karnataka, and they grow far like anything. And still Sudha Murthy is kind of, she's an author. She's an author. She writes lots of book about the different kinds of value systems, about the children, all those things. Whenever you get times, take out you search on the Google Sudha Murthy and you'll get different kinds of books. She still talks about the lots of Karnataka tradition and cultures. Okay, and then she is so grounded still. That's why, because when you have value, culture system, tradition system is intact in your life, you will grow in life. She still follow all the tradition cultures and Kannadiga cultures. Even she is the kind of the your founder of wife of the founder of the Infosys. Similarly, the Ajim Premji is from Wipro. He is also very grounded person. If you heard his talk, if you hear his talk, sometimes he talk so grounded. That's why these people able to grow in their lives. Okay, and they will have the one thing I'll tell you, which I learned recently. Satisfied life is much better than a successful life. You can have success, but many people they are not satisfied in their life. So try to be, definitely we need success. We need some kind of basis in our lives to grow, but we need some kind of satisfaction also. Otherwise, I'll tell you the stories about that. What dissatisfaction leads to. So we'll talk about the different causes. Okay. So see, it all, I told you, it all starts from the mind, the thoughts. And thoughts, we from where we get the thoughts? From different belief systems. Okay. If a good belief system, we have the good thoughts. If you have the positive beliefs, we'll get the positive thoughts. I'll talk about the positive things also in life. And what your beliefs are there, that gives your expectation. If your beliefs are positive, if your beliefs are realistic, that's called realistic beliefs. Like I'm right now, I'm 60, 65 kg. I cannot become a wrestler. Okay, I cannot become the boxer. I don't have such kind of body. So we have to be realistic also in our beliefs and expectation also. And then that leads to the positive attitude. You have the realistic beliefs, if you have realistic expectations, you have the realistic attitude also, right? And then it will lead to the proper behavior, and then you can become a what to say, successful and satisfied life. Okay, so this is the very famous quotes from the Bhagavad Gita, which has been defined in this way. He watch your definitions. Definition means again your belief system, which will make your thoughts. Okay, we have positive thoughts. If you have good belief system, it will make the positive thoughts. And if your thoughts are, if you're watchful about your thoughts, it becomes your words. Okay, if your thoughts are positive, if your thoughts are very constructive, you will have the constructive words. Because I told you, about the story of Krishna Arjuna, right? When Krishna Arjuna went, because his beliefs and thoughts was good, so Arjuna get the good things. If you're, because he kind of everything start with the words. Whenever we meet someone, how do you know about someone? When he starts speaking, you know, speaking the, what do you say, the first impression, last impression. How you get the first impression? When someone speaks to you, right? And watch your words, because words become the actions, right? If your good words are there, good thoughts there, it become the positive action. And if your actions are, if you're watchful for your actions, it makes your destiny. Destiny means what? Your future, right? So we have to see that, how your thoughts are there. Thoughts will make the words will make the actions, and action will make the finally your the destination. So I'll discuss one by one again. This is the, what is the obstacle in the preconceived idea? Many things we have the some kind of preconceived, means we already thought, he will be like that only. Yeah, he will be bad only. He'll be, why to go to temple? They all these they talk of all these things only. Okay, this follow that. They never understand. We cannot question also. So there's some kinds of preconceptions are there. So if we have preconceptions, then we're not able to move forwards. And then it causes typical attitude problems. And then it's something called placebo effects. So till now, anyone any kind of doubts they want to ask something, or should I move and we'll discuss in the end? Huh? We'll discuss at the end. Okay. So what the placebo effect? Placebo word, anyone knows about what the placebo mean? Dummy, correct. So I am from medical field. So placebo is very common thing. So whenever we do drug trial for any medications, okay, like some patient having headache, migraine problem. So we try for new drugs. We are trying in the society. Okay, so we'll give one something called dummy drugs, placebo drugs, and one will give the proper new whatever research medicines are there, and we'll see he is getting benefited with the medicines or he was getting benefited with the dummy medicines. So sometimes what we see that with the dummy medicine also some patients headache will come down because again it depends on your mind things. Okay, so again because I told you I'm a neurologist, but I see few of the psychiatric patient also. So again, there's something called alcoholic anonymous. There's something alcoholic anonymous, smoking anonymous, drugs addiction anonymous. You know what the anonymous means? Huh? No, anonymous means not unknown. Anonymous means same kind of people. Same kind of people. So many people, when they come for the many patients come for the de-addictions from the alcohol, de-addiction from the smoking, de-addiction from the drugs. Drugs addiction is a very difficult thing. When they comes in our hospital, so what we do, we have made a society, and they all the people who want to quit the smoking or quit the alcohols and the drugs, they meet together and they share their expenses. Okay, I want to leave. I after having alcohol. Sorry, after having smoking and addiction, are having such kind of issues, and they share their expenses, and with that they try to de-addict. Means, they try to slowly leave that things, right? Okay. Again, I told you this all the mind games. The mind can make the hell out of heaven or heaven out of hell. And about this, I'll tell you. In the psychiatry, there's something called CBT. There's something called cognitive behavior therapy. And the patients having such kind of issues, such kind of placebo effect in the minds, and such kind of different kinds of habits are there. And then we have to give the behavioral therapy. Behavioral therapy, again, these all are the mind. We have to change the thoughts. Again, I told you everything starts from the beliefs and thoughts, your attitudes. Okay. Again, this all the again the one more condition is there that we read the Bible day and night and whatever any scriptures. You read the black and I read the white. Black means literally in the black only, right? But what he mean to say that reading is a black. Black is the means negative thing. White means positive things. When we're reading the black letters, but our thoughts should be pure like white. You are understanding? So just reading will not change our life. We have to absorb that what written in that scriptures. Okay, because world is the mirror of our own thoughts, right? World is the mirror of our own consciousness. We whatever we perceive in our life, because thoughts and whatever comes in our life, it comes from the different human expenses. But our human expenses are very limited. You must have attended few classes. You must be knowing that we have the 4 different kind of defects. And what the different defects are there? We are definitely commit mistakes. No one can say, I never committed mistakes. They have some kind of imperfect problems. They have come some kind of issues and they make mistakes. Okay, no one can say, I'm 100% perfect. And definitely different kinds of illusions. Illusion means what we think, things many times, what I think is right, what other things is wrong. But it's not like that. Many times we are disillusioned, means the disillusions, the very good example are there. Like we can think of from here that Burj Khalifa will be a little bit taller. Whatever I see the tower, the mobile tower, it will be 3 times, 4 times of that tower. So until unless we will not see the Burj Khalifa, we'll not able to see the, will not able to conceive that how tall it is, because that is the tallest building, tallest tower in the whole world. So sometimes we illusion by different kinds of thought process until as we can, we don't see that. Okay, and then definitely we are imperfect senses. That is the typical example as I tell about the ultraviolet way and the infrared rays. The human vision has a 70 to 700 is there, but we cannot see the below that ultraviolet. We cannot see it's higher than that infrared rays. It doesn't mean ultraviolet rays and infrared rays doesn't exist. They exist, okay, but we cannot see that. Similarly, supersonic and ultrasonic sounds. We have the again the hearing range is there, 20 to 2 decibels. We cannot hear below 20, we cannot hear more than 2000. Okay, so this we have senses, we cannot say that our senses are perfect. We got with some mediums definitely is imperfect, and we have definitely some kind of cheating propensities. I will not go on that. So what is solutions? So these are the four solutions. I'm coming, the last part is very important, because we talk about the how to develop the positive attitude. That is the important part, right? So what is the power of choice? We definitely have the power of choice are there. You know, we want to what we want. Do you have choice? You wanted to go to watch the movie today evening, Saturday evening, or you want to come here at the temple and listen to me? So definitely you have the choice in your life, and a desire for initiative. Whenever anything is there in life, like after your 10th, you want to go in at 11, 12, you want to take the PCB, you want to the PCM, you want to the PCBM, you want to go to plan for the NEET, or you want to plan for the G. So these all things we have some kind of initiation, desire for initiation, and we go in that way. And then the definitely need for faith also. We'll discuss about that. And then the act of perseverance is very important, because everyone here in engineering college, they must have persevered. Definitely the different coaching classes, they must have read for 12 hours, 14 hours, then only they have reached here. So that things are very much important, and resolve to never give up. Okay. So we'll go one by one. So what is the power of choice? We have that we cannot, again, the first quotation again, we cannot direct the wind, but we can certainly adjust ourselves. Okay. So most of us will not go for the sail riding, but Hussain Sagar Lake, they do sometimes sail riding, mostly in the winter seasons. So you will see that they will, must have seen also in the TV also how they sails. They cannot change the wind direction, but what they do, they just rotate the sail direction. They will have the, what do you say, I'm not sure what to say, the kind of close, and then they change the direction of the sailing. So we cannot drag this wind, but we can change the our directions. And again, we cannot choose to either a victim or victors. It depends on that. I want to become victims or I want to become victory of that things. Again, human intelligence. Again, this again I telling what again I'm going back to the my psychological experiences with my patients and people all around. That if human intelligence is not properly utilized in whatever situations come upon us, instead of simply reacting, we make an intelligent choice to achieve highest virtue. That's why again the choice comes here. So I'll tell you about that. That again the choice about the choice again, Arjuna and Duryodhana, what choice they made when he made the Krishna. Arjuna made a choice to get the Krishna, and Duryodhana made a choice to getting the whole Narayani Sena, and you see the results. Again, different kinds of psychological issues come with that also. Okay, Kina, because the human intelligence I've seen, I'll tell you, it's very common, but not maybe not in the what engineering college are coming. But if you go the top engineering colleges like IITs, if you go the top B college like IIMs and top medical college, the suicides are very common there. I've seen 10 suicides in my life, and my 7 batchmates has committed suicides. Every year, one suicide in my batch, my batch used to happen. And all these things come from the your what choice you made, what thoughts you have, what belief system you have. Now, these things are now the things, these things, because of the lockdown also, because of lockdown, so many things happen because the we human being, we want to explore the life. We cannot sit in this room for a long time. I can give you the fast and for what speech for 6 hours, but you will get bored after 1 hour. Okay. So we human being want to explore the life. We want to go out and have so many desires are there. And because of this lockdown, so many psychological issues came with the mostly the people who are working from the home. Okay, because of the they have got just imprisoned in a small house and just working from home for long hours. They no interaction, social interaction. However, you interact with your WhatsApp and the Facebook and whatever Instagram, but until you will have the human interaction, you will not get the pleasure, right? You all came here to have the human interaction, right? Until you will not have the human interactions, will not have the pleasure in life. Okay, so these things are there because again, this our intelligence. All these people I'm telling about, this IITs, the IIM peoples, and this the top medical college people, they are all kind of, you can say, the little bit higher intelligence peoples, and these people have so much of the thought process issues, and they make uh, so many problems in their lives. That second was their desire of initiative. Okay, in the desire of initiative, again, you know seek and you shall find, and knock and the door will open. That's very important. You must be knowing what the startups, these startups things. The startup thing started from since last 1 decade only. It was not there before. You know, People try to explore and they do some startup. They have many failures also many times, but ultimately you see the Uber. Okay, Uber is a company. They have not a single vehicle. Okay, they just hire the vehicle, hire the driver, and they having the $1 billion business now. Okay, the Uber, the Ola, again the like the what do you the big basket. Okay, the delivery systems. Okay, now the Dunjo and different types of delivery system. There's Swiggy, Zomato. They have not a they don't have their own shop. Okay, restaurants. The Zomato and Swiggy don't have their own restaurants, but they just have a delivery system, and they have now earning the $1 billion. Okay, so this all start with the some kinds of initiation, desires, some initiation. You see the so many startup starts with that, and many people get failed also, but many startups they get the success also. So there we have to initiate somewhere with the right desires. And opportunities knock the door, but we often complain about the noise it makes. It's very important points. It's very subtle and very important that we always try to complain about that different kind of opportunities, but we are not getting opportunities. But we see many times opportunity comes, but we say that it's not opportunity, it's just some kind of noise is there. Okay. Again, vision is to see invisible, to see positive. Again, I told you about that kind of vision. Many things we are not able to see beyond our perception of vision. It doesn't mean it doesn't exist. So we have to be positive. Something is there, and we have to take out from the things from there. In every situation in our life that comes, there's some kind of difficulty. I told you, according to Bhagavad Gita, we'll have some kind of difficulty. Sometimes we'll have the good lives, but sometimes will be the ash. Whenever something burns, like the woods and papers burns, but inside the ashes also there will be some kind of spark, right? And that will give the some kind of initiation. So any difficulties also comes. I'll tell you about that one story about that when Arjuna and that Pandava, after he lost the gamble, right? They got banished to the forest for 13 years. Okay, so that was they don't have anything at that time. And after staying for the Indraprastha for so many years in the palace, and they banished in the forest without any kind of just small clothes, no chariots, no food, nothing like that. And they vanished. But even in that difficulties, what they did, positively they prepare for the war of the Kurukshetra for 13 years. The Arjuna did the tapasya. They did tapasya. He got the weapons from Sankara, Bhagwan Sankara. He got the astra from the Indra. In the different, all the five people, all the five Pandavas, they prepared themselves, even the difficulties, and that preparation helped them the winning the war at the end of the Kurukshetra. So even the difficulties, we can see the some kind of sparks. And world is the mirror of our own consciousness. Whatever whoever comes upon us, we are going to see according to our own consciousness. Like the story of roses, the example roses. Someone can see the roses, and someone can see the thorn in the roses. Okay, so it depends on what we want to see in our lives. If we want to see the positive, we'll see the positive. If we want to see the negative, we'll see the negatives. Yeah, this the faith thing is very, it's very subtle and very sublime things. We talk about the faith, you know, faith is very important. Faith is very important, but it's not a blind faith. That's why our culture traditions, the Vedic culture traditions, is always start with the inquiring. Okay, you can have open question answers. We are not, because people are not aware of that things. Our generations, even my generation also, and your generation also, they're not aware that we can in our scriptures, in the Vedic scriptures, Radhan Dharma, we can have the open conversation also. Bhagavad Gita is all about the question answer only. Arjuna asking question and Krishna is giving answers. And then after the Purana, Bhagavatam Puran, there's also the question answer between the Sukhdev Maharaj and the Parikshit Maharaj. So that openness should be there in there, and then only we can develop the faith. But we have to put little bit faith. Like when I came in the medical college, you come to engineering college, you cannot say, I cannot say in the first year of my MBBS that show me the liver, show me the heart. I cannot say where the heart is there or not. What you're telling, heart has so many arteries. We cannot say like that. Okay. Then slowly, when we learn about our first year, second year, then we have the open heart surgery. We do the surgery, and when open the stomach, we say, oh, liver is there inside, heart is there inside, right? So these things are there. So on the first day, we cannot ask and say, professor, show me the first liver, heart, then only come study, right? So similarly, some kinds of little faith we have to keep. Like when this preacher comes to your colleges and wherever you stay in hostel and they say something, you have to have little faith. But definitely you can question them. I can question them to anything. You can right now. That I want to spend more time in the question answer, because it's kind of boring. Just I am speaking. I'm just finishing 5 minutes. So that will open your heart, right? So again, faith can move mountains. Very popular proverb. And with faith, we can see the invisible, believe the incredible, and receive the impossible. This is the popular things. Then, we have to have faith on scriptures and different saints. It's very common mistakes what our generation, we feel that ancient saints, the acharyas like Ramanacharya, Madhvacharya, the Annamacharya, the Tyagaraj, the Ramdasalu, they were the less intelligent people who were just singing and dancing. And we are very intelligent people, the modern people. It's not like that. You cannot remember one sloka of Bhagavad Gita without having so much efforts. And these people, Annamacharya, have written 30,000 songs, 30,000 songs, Sanskrit songs. We can have only the 3,000, 4,000 songs. Many songs is lost. We cannot preserve their songs also. Ramdasalu has written so many songs. Tyagaraj has written so many songs. Valmiki Ramayana has written this likes of the Ramayana. The Ramayana, Valmiki Ramayana has so many verses are there. It's not easy to write that things. And in that, people do so many of PhD and in the Telugu language and the Sanskrit language. They have done lots of PhD also. It's not so easy. And what they say, now we having so much issue with the environment, the climate changes, so many things are there in day-to-day life. But these people were long-sightedness. But today's modern people, they're short-sightedness. I can tell you very frankly. Those people, they live for 1,000 years without any environmental issue and the climate issue. And after First World War, after industrialization, so many issues come to the climate that people are thinking, we should reserve some places in the moon also, in space also. You must be knowing about the Tesla and what is them? The space, yeah. What is the name? The Virgin Airlines. You know Virgin Airlines? Yeah. Now we come to the perseverance. Perseverance means doing something again and again. This thing that carrot takes 7 weeks to grow. Onion takes 9 weeks. Bamboo takes 7 years to grow. It keeps on persevering to grow and grow and grow. Slowly it will be just grow for small heights only, and suddenly, and the last year it will grow very far, very tall. So anything we require lots of perseverance. Olive trees. I was in Israel, Jerusalem. It is famous for the Spain, and Israel was famous for the olives. And there's so many olive trees are there. And these olive trees are, they say that 100 years, 200 years, 1,000 years old. And the oldest olive trees will give the your green olives, the sweetest of green olives, which we use in the our different kinds of continental foods and Mediterranean foods. And success means one goes on failures, and after failure does not lose the hope. The famous quotation from Thomas Edison. He said, "I haven't failed 10,000 times, but I have successfully discovered 10,000 ways that didn't work." Right? Even in the medical field also, there's so many drugs failures comes. Now even the COVID time, you see, so many vaccines came, so many medicines came, and I have seen the difficult times in the COVIDs. I was working in the COVID ICU also, and I've seen the difficult times. These drugs are not working, this medicine is not working, and then getting the new medicines for that. And it is a very famous proverb: Rome was not built in a day. So I was in Rome twice, and I saw that they have so much old buildings, the 1,000 years old building, and that was also its kind of amazing thing. We cannot say that time people was kind of the fully said they don't know any times or anything, any kinds of architectures of those things. And the last part, that we have never to give up, because again I told you, the first thing I told you, I started with the vernacular things, because when we are in the vernacular, we feel inferior from the people who are kind of speak English. But it's not like that. Language should not be barrier. I've seen the people who are speaks good Telugu, speaks good Marathi, and speaks good Kannadiga, and they're more confident the people who are speaks English. So we should not feel inferior. We should not feel inferior that we are from a different vernacular medium and different states, or we are Indians, we are not Americans. Telugu people has one of the very higher dreams that we should go to US. That is I see the many elderly couple as in nearly, that is a very sad part of the Telugu states, that mainly from Andhra, that it's very sad part. I see the many elderly couple every day. His son is in US and daughter get married to NRI. And the elderly couple is staying in a village and the city, big home, and they are so much psychological issues. Again, they're coming with the thought process. This is very common. So the last part is the application part, the development of positive attitude. And I told you, if you always look at what you don't have, then every person has some kinds of strength and some kinds of limitations. Okay. And I told you, no one can have the perfect, but we should always look to the strength. Okay. Like in the what to say, everyone like in the cricket, everyone likes cricket, right? So cricket, no one can become all-rounder. Even all-rounder is there, they cannot become best batsman and cannot become best bowler also, and best fielder also. They can have the average batting. Or what is the all-rounder means? They have average batting, average bowling, and average fielding. But they cannot become best batsman like Virat Kohli, and they cannot become the best bowler like whoever you can say, Nishant Sharma, whoever you like, right? So the bowlers and batsmen, right? So they have some kind, they cannot become best of everything. So, but we have to see what our strengths are there. If you look at the negative things, then we cannot. So if you look at what you have in life, you have everything, right? And seeing the ultimate reality in a positive attitudes, that is very important. About the date, we'll talk about these things sometimes later in some different talks about that. In the Sanatan Dharma, about Vedic scriptures talk about the reincarnation, talk about the transmigration of souls, and that's why we never, in our scriptures, in our belief systems, we never ponder about so much death. We feel that death is just kind of a stage of one's life, and then after that again there is a journey of the soul is there, different parts. And again, I told you, the material world is full of miseries. And there was again, the Arjuna has so much confusions on the Arjuna on the battlefield of Kurukshetra, and then Krishna gave him the positive attitude of the life, and then he fought the battles and won the life, right? So these things, there is mnemonics called ask, okay, accept what we have the things are there, positive or negative. The thinking of the body is temporary or whatever material is miserable is little bit more philosophical, but I mean to accept your whatever realistic expectations should be there. What we have positive things, what negative things, we should not focus more on negative things, and seek the pleasure of soul. Pleasure of soul means You seek the pleasure of the things, whatever you have. Okay. You don't just scream on the just what negative you have. And knowledge of God and relationship with God. This why this little bit philosophical. Why I'm telling this is very important. You know why this is important? These things, this all these positive attitudes all depends on the. I show you the slide that depends on the positive belief system and all positive thoughts. And how we'll get this positive belief system, positive thoughts? Realistic expectations, associations, gratitude, and the selfless service. So this anything start with your association. Association means if the I told you about the army people. If you stay with the people who are positive thoughts, positive attitudes, you'll always grow in their life. Okay, you will always become. And this spiritual life that our traditions, cultures, and our scriptures, they always give the life about the positive outlook of our lives. That's why we should read the books also which having the positive outlooks. We should avoid reading the books which give the negative outlook of life. There's so many books are there, so many inspiring books are there by different authors. Okay, I just told you about the Sudha Murthy. If you can have many sports person have written the books, like actually it was the Neil Armstrong. He's afterward he has some issues. Anyone has heard about the not Neil Armstrong? That's called Armstrongs. He was the F1. He was the not F1. He was the French cyclist. He was the American cyclist and Tour de France. He was the winner, the 7 times winner of the Tour de France cycling. And later he has some issues, but he has written books about how he had cancers and he go through it and he won so many Tours de France. There's so many books is there. So if we read about the books about the positive attitudes, we'll grow in our lives, right? And sometimes like Bhagavad Gita and all those things looks to be a little bit philosophical, but we can read about many saints. Okay, we can read about the Shivaji Maharaj, we can read about the Krishna Roy, we can read about the many such kind of kings, Maharana Pratap. We can read about so many kings are there, and how they have kind of protected our country, right? We can read about the many army leaders who got the Paramvir Chakra, right? So if we read the good books, positive books, we'll have the positive attitude in life. Then the sounds are very important. It has been proven also. Being a neurologist, I work in a neuro ICU. Neuro ICU means where the patient is kind of coma stage. Like Pakshvata, they are kind of coma stage there. And they have the kind of something called music therapy. In our ICU, all the time, some kinds of music will go. Whatever, it could be the classical, Eastern classical or Western classicals. Usually we play the classical music because I don't know how many of you are fan of the hard rocks. How many are fan of hard rocks? Only one of you. Hard rocks and then again the what you have, the classicals, and in between jazz. Jazz is actually Western classical. So the hard rocks will give you lots of, I don't know. I'm sorry to hurt your sentiments. It gives lots of, negative feelings. Hard rocks mostly you see it's heard by all these people who are the hard rock people are there wherever concert happens. It's full of little bit negative things, right? They will be kind of drugs addicted, even I'm sorry, the singers and all those things, and wherever the concert happens, the hard rock concert happens, you feel that things. So whenever the classical things are there, the positive things are there, positive musics are there, positive sound vibration. That's why we emphasis on the chantings. That's why in our belief systems, they talk about the sloka recitation, the Sanskrita recitations. There's so many songs or recitations are there because that creates the positive environments, and that positive environment in the morning. This is scientifically proven also. The Hoover patients underwent the music therapy with the positive sound vibrations. Okay, their improvements was much better. They have there were no positive music vibrations. But I'm sorry, but nowadays because of the so many channels are there and so many things goes on. and the TV also, so many channels. The people are not understanding these things. You know how the positive things, the different kinds of uh, the positive of the Sanskrita and the sloka recitations and the chanting and all those things. How many effects, positive effects in the minds in there. And then comes the food. Food is also important. The food, this is also famous sloka. What food you will eat, that creates lots of positivity in minds. If you eat you must be knowing about the tamasic food, rasic food, and the sattvic food. If you keep on eating the tamasic food, definitely creates the lots of negativity and negativity in your thought process, the mind, and that is proven. This can be scientifically proven. I don't have the references, but I can show you that how the positive sound, how the positive foods, and positive books and positive thoughts, and all our belief system, our scriptures, our acharya, the ancient acharya, they talk about all these things. And that's why we need such kind of association. And I again tell you about the realistic expectations and the gratitude. I told you about the grateful life, the satisfied life. The grateful life is always um, we feel more satisfaction, and then selfless service. When you do all these things, means doing something selfless, anything, it could be any kind of activities, helping someone, giving some foods, giving some clothes. Money I avoid helping, because we don't know what they use with the money. But if we help someone with some things, it gives lots of satisfaction in your life, and it will give you lots of positive outlook in your life. Okay, thank you very much. I think I finished in the 45 minutes. Then we'll have question answers. I'll hope you can ask any kind of questions with these topics and without other topics also, whatever you feel. So I'll be happy to share with you. You can mic. Yes, let him have first. The mic back section. One you can keep it here. Right. You wanted to ask, na? Back section.
So, Hare Krishna Prabhuji. So, my doubt is, you can hear me, no?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So, you said that in Bhagavad Gita, it is written that definition turns into thoughts. Thoughts turn into our words, words turn into our actions.
Right.
So, what exactly means definition? So, thoughts means we can know. Thoughts, our actions, and our words, we know that. What exactly is definition? So, which creates the thoughts?
The definition means the thoughts coming from this definition, these thoughts, from where we get the thoughts. From before thoughts, what your belief system is there, what you will read, that creates your thoughts. So that is the definition means. Definition means starting before thoughts, what your belief system is there, what your traditional system is there, what your value system is there, and what your kind of reading kind of things. From there, your thoughts will create. Okay, kind of if we follow our value system, traditional value system or culture system from our childhood, I told about sanskar, that will create the positive thoughts in our lives, and then will lead to the positive actions, and then will lead to the positive destiny. Right. So this definition means from where your traditional value systems and your what you read and what you absorb all around, from there it comes. Okay.
Thank you.
Right.
Hare Krishna Prabhu. Prabhu, my doubt is something related to topic and off the topic also.
No problem. No problem.
So I am a CA final student, Prabhu, now,
Right.
and I am a CMA final also.
Great.
So life is full of busy schedule.
Correct.
So in that, I am not having any negative attitude towards my goal. But sometimes because due to some rest or some other negative source, suppose my body feels sleepy, or it would say that no, you need not study or you need not work. For that thing, how to build up a positive attitude, Prabhu?
That's why I told you, for any things we need, there's some simple formula that's called ABCD. Okay.
Prabhu, that
You know.
ABCD, I know.
You know,
For
ABCD, you know.
Yeah, for
that-
that thing, since it has been past 1 month, I am coming to ISKCON,
Right.
but I'm unable to overcome such problem.
You see, I told you again that I talk about the perseverance. Okay. Anything will, whatever the thought process changes, it doesn't happen in the 1 day or 1 month. Okay. You have to keep working on that. It will not change in 1 day. You coming in since 1 month and you are having you are listening something positive, you are reading something positive, you're eating something positive, and in 1 month will change. Because this all what I told you about that again. That's why I tell everyone whoever comes from the district places, you should never leave your basic value system, traditional system, what we learn from our child, from our parents and our cultures. What happens when come to the metro city, come to the big city, because so much influences of their Tollywood influences, the mall influences, so many. I'm sorry, I'm so much against the kind of Tollywood because even I watch some kind of Telugu movie which are very good movies, but not regular movies. Uh, so because that creates so much of impression in our mind, so much create impression in our mind, that to again unwind those negative things and getting the winding of the positive things, it's not going so easy. It's not going to say easy. What do you say, Kina? That's why if I am practicing 20 years, you cannot say Kina, I'm perfect. I'm still practicing. I cannot leave practicing because I know okay, I have maybe I'll be a little bit better than you, one step better than you, but I cannot be perfect. I'm not perfect. I have to also work on my so much thought process. I cannot tell you I have controlled my anger, I have controlled my envy, I have controlled my jealousy. I am working in the corporate hospital. I don't feel jealous, I don't feel angry on someone. No, it's the lifetime process. It's not lifetime process, maybe many lifetime process. We believe in the kind of journey of soul also, not in one life. So but again, I told you, you have to have the sublime faith on the scriptures words and our the sastra and sadhu. We say sastra means scriptures and sadhu means this acharya. This acharya like Ramacharya, Madhvacharya, and Sankaracharya. These are the saints, like they could be the, I can say, the more brilliant than the Einstein and Newton also. You know the Mesna? You know heard of the Mesna? What is the Mesna? Anyone know about Mesna? The Mesna is people who have IQ more than 140. There's something called Mesna group. In the US, they have the Mesna groups, and they have high IQ more than 140. But these people, our Acharya was kind of, they have the long sight visions. So we have to believe in their words and take times, but you cannot live in between. Then again, you're going down. It'll take time, but slowly it'll happen. It's not like it not happen. It's not like that I have not seen negative in my life, but because of this, but because of these things, because of the positive, one thing is there, people who are practicing, seriously practicing the spiritual life, and you are in the right society, the right society of the people who are looking positively, they will definitely give you positive supports. That is the positive associations. And again, different kinds of recitations, the sounds, positive sounds, and the positive every day. That's why in the morning we should start the day with the positive sounds. Positive sounds means not Tollywood songs. Positive sounds means the sloka recitations, any kind of things. I start my day with the Annamacharya songs, Ramdasolo songs, Tyagaraja songs, uh, whatever you're listening from your childhood. Okay, maybe some good musics in there, or even the all the Telugu songs also there with the many with the positive rights, so we can hear that also. I'm not aware of that, but in the Maharashtra Marathi they have, in the Hindi also less, but Marathi they also have. So we should start our day with that positive kinds of sound vibrations, and we do the chanting also definitely, and that gives the cleans our minds, give the positive backgrounds our minds. Yes, ma'am.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Prabhuji, you had told at the end of the class chanting and hearing the sound, certain sound.
Correct.
Yes, yes, Prabhuji. But in our colleges, they will also teach about the attitude and in a SOS subject, Prabhuji. But they will not discuss about chanting, and that's why.
Chanting is kind of, chanting means I took from the sounds. Okay. They should talk about the positive environment. All if you're talking about the positive attitude, you have to be positive environment. And positive environments come with the positive sounds, positive foods, positive thoughts. All your positive thoughts will come if you not listen to positive, if you not read the positive things, if you don't listen to positive songs. The problem is there in today modern educations, because we are not trained in that way, and we stay in, I'm sorry, I'm going little bit political also, we stay in a secular country also. Okay. And if we talk about those things, but I'm not sure, may or may not be, they must be following at home. I know many teachers, my professors, in the open system they will not talk, but at home they follow those things. I know many I know the professor, the dean of the Nilofer Hospital, he's a pediatrician now, 70 years. Maybe in the college he will not speak, but he is a pakka followers of the Sankaracharya. He will every day morning he will listen to the positive music, and he will talk, he will read something. Those things are there, and these things are now what things are there. We follow the Western countries. Okay, we don't follow our Indian system. Now these things are coming from Western countries. Yoga, you do yoga, you will have the good body. When we talk about yoga, no one believe. Our international yoga day is there. So even though that's why I told you, this is scientifically proven. This come from the many US scientific studies. In the positive music, they talk about the Indian classical music. They talk about the Western classical music. Indian classical music means what? Indian classical music means our ancient saint songs. And they saw that the recovery, the psychological improvements, the mental well-being, the physical well-being are improved. So these people will have some limitations.
Yes, Prabhuji, that only I was saying, that how can we say about chanting and tell about this?
Why need to express in the college? You can do at your hostel.
No, Prabhuji,
Ah.
about to tell our friends and
That's why you can tell your friends about the positive things. You don't have to tell about the chanting. Okay, chanting directly. You can talk about I told you what I told you. I told you about the positive song, means about something. That's why I told you Sanskrit. Sanskrit is again, Sanskrit, they are researching so much on Sanskrit nowadays in the US and European countries. And they've reached that Sanskrit is now you see this is the most Googled language in the Googles, because they found that Sanskrit is very scientific, because expression Sanskrit and what kind of vibration Sanskrit gives, the positive vibration gives the Sanskrit. I'm not telling about the chant, I'm telling about Sanskrit. Because all our slokas, all our songs is from Sanskrit only. And all the language also they derive from the Sanskrit only. They are Devanagari. Okay. Even because I am from North India, but I learned Telugu because lots of Telugu words are from Sanskrit. Okay. So all the Sanskrit is the basis of all the languages in India. Right. So that gives lots of positive vibrations. So we can talk about that. Don't chanting, at least that's why I told you, you should start the day with the positive songs. It could be any kind of Acharya songs. If you do chanting, if you listen kirtan, that is the best. That is the chanting we do for our benefits, for our exercises, our mental exercises. Chanting, if you do, best. At least you do the chanting, at least start listening that things, and then go for chanting. You start listening to kirtan, you start listening to this sense, the ancient songs, and then you will have then you develop faith. You can say about these things because we are following the ancient scriptures, following the ancient traditions. These are our traditions only. I in almost 10 years 11 years in Hyderabad. Anyone has gone to the Tengman Road? Everyone has gone to Tangman Road. And the Tangman Road, they have the statue. Many statues are there. Have you noticed? And then all the statues are there from the ancient Telugu people who has done many things about the Telugu states. They have the statue of Tyagaraja also. They have the statue of Ramdas also. These peoples have done so many for the Telugu society. But many Telugu people don't know about those also. I'm sorry to say that. They don't know what the statue is there. I went when I came in 2010. One day I walked from the Tangmach whole road. I noticed all the names and then I read about on the Google and Wikipedia. And then I amazed ki na ki, these Telugu peoples have so much of tradition, rich traditional cultures there. Warangal was known as the South. What is the old name of Warangal? That was the Kasi of the South. Kasi in the north was the kind of literally capitals of India, and the south Warangal was the literally capitals. And so many peoples came, and Kesdev Rai's guru was there from the Warangal only. But we don't have pride about that. We feel inferiority complex. Why to feel inferiority complex about that thing? I told you na, it is our, whatever one, even if you are confident, if you have positive attitude, you can express good in the Telugu also. What's wrong in that? Now every education system is coming in with their vernacular language also. If you talk about these things, what positive things we have, you don't have to talk straight about the chanting. You can talk about these things, our things. We come here, we are appreciating our Telugu traditional cultures. We are not following that. We're forgetting that. We are forgetting the saints, Telugu saints. We come here, we listen to what we learn about them, and then these things comes from them, right?
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Yes.